The network cameras may be the target of the bad guys. How can Axis protect the network cameras from these persons?
Well, basically you have two ways how to protect your devices. First way is to do it in camera itself, and you can actually turn on the SSL encryption, and you can set special administrator rights and passwords to protect the access itself. But you can also protect the data itself by this SSL and certificates you can set in this situation. So that's the first way when you set the camera itself. Then the second way, of course, is to use some VPN and tunnels as you would protect your corporate network or your printer network. So it's basically the same as with other network devices. So yeah, that's how you can protect them. Yeah, and even though if this attack will not be just from the bad guys on the network, we have a feature called active tampering alarm. That means that if someone will attack the camera by spray or by some items, or he will defocus it or try to move with it, it will automatically generate an alert which will push some other devices in the network to do something.
And there is a built-in intelligence in the cameras, as I understand.
Yes, actually active tampering alarm is one of them, and they are more advanced. We have 800 partners who develop applications or integrate our cameras or devices into their solutions. But we have more or less 70 applications that you are now able to download and place directly into camera as you are used to download applications to your smartphone. So it brings more options when it comes to real-time detections, when you want to know that something is now happening, someone is crossing the line, someone is moving with something, you would not know this if you would not have these applications. So
there's a transition going on from the analog to the digital video monitoring systems. What kind of industries are keen on this changing?
Well, I would say that almost every industry is keen to do it, because the main reasons why you would like to switch from analog to digital is resolution. Analog cameras has only 0.4 megapixels, and that's very little. We now can provide up to 4K, which is 8.3 megapixels, and that's very high value, because you can identify, detect or recognize persons or vehicles in far distances. You have more details you can work with. And the second, well, actually there are 10 reasons why you should use digital. And when it comes to price, a lot of people think that digital or IP systems are more expensive, but actually they are not. If you will install more of them, like more than 5-10 cameras, you would save a lot of money because of features we have inside that saves a lot of installation and technicians' time.